A Chinese doctor once told his patients to do something unusual. Put onions on their feet. Now let's prepare what we need. Grab one fresh onion. You don't even need to peel it. That's right. We're using the onion in its most natural form because that's where all the power is. Cut it in half and store one part in the fridge, sealed tightly. With the remaining half, slice it into smaller chunks. Don't worry about the shape or size. It's not about appearance, it's about what's inside. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. After cutting, grab a glass jar with a lid. Place the onion pieces inside. Now comes a crucial ingredient. Slowly pour 70% medical alcohol into the jar. Add enough to fully cover every piece of onion. For anyone battling arthritis, joint stiffness, or muscle aches, this mixture is a quiet miracle. Once your jar is sealed, store it in a cool, dark place for 7 days. That's when the transformation really happens. After a week, you'll notice the liquid turning darker. That's a sign it's ready, rich with all the active compounds your body needs. Now, how do you use it? Take a cotton pad and soak it in the mixture. Apply it directly to the sore areas. Your knees, ankles, wrists, spine, anywhere you feel discomfort. I recommend doing this at night. Once applied, wrap the area with a clean cloth. Let it work while you rest. By morning, you might just wake up feeling brand new.